Yeah.
So thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yazini
You deserve it.
ufanele ngabe ngithele ungabusenza manje.
Ungasangibamba.
Ufanele ngabe ngithi ungabusenza manje. Guys, this is my
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Macele. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Macele is celebrating her birthday today, and her sister wife MaKhumalo gave her a beautiful velvet cake to show her love and appreciation on her birthday, you guys. And I must say one thing about these two is that they truly love and respect each other. Their friendship is genuine. Macele also wished his first wife MaKhumalo a happy birthday and wrote this touching message on Facebook. Good morning, Zanzi. Please help me wish a happy birthday to General herself, Macele, Indlovukazi yethu Macele Queen, our tried and tested defender of our family structures and marriage institution, the epitome of love in you. You we find hope and strength for future generations. I love you, Viko Magaye Nkomo Isengwa Ilele. Now there you have it, guys. Happy birthday to Macele. Please do not forget to subscribe and comment. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.